Hi, I'm Olivier from Activity Messenger, and in this video, we're going to learn how to track attendance with an app online for soccer clubs, soccer academies, or soccer camps. So in this example, we have a registration form that I've shown in another video, and once people register to a specific program, they automatically fall into an attendance list. So you can see the next class is on May 10th, 2025. And then if you scroll down, you will see all the classes in that session. It's a weekly session, as well as all the attendees here. From there, you can check them in and check them out, and it's going to timestamp the check-in and the checkout. And you can add notes like I did here that it's going to apply to that specific participant on that specific day, right? Everywhere you see a little medical aid thing means that if you scroll out, you will have a medical condition. So it makes it very easy for your instructor to see the medical information of the person. Then you can also have a toggle to say, hey, this person has not paid yet. Let's say for whatever reason, they filled out the form and did not put their credit card, or you had an offline payment type of form. That's how it would look like. Next, if I go and say, actually, I want to see the next day, well, then you can see it's going to reset everything, right? Because the check-in and check-out is going to be very different from weekly. Every week you have to kind of reset that check-in. You can then show different visible columns. You can allow tracking people not fill the form. Let's say at a liability form or a soccer skill tracking form that we have also in another video. You can print your attendance list. You can see an attendance report. So it's going to kind of show you the attendance now that's in the future, but it's not showing me the options here. But if I were to go to, let's say, I made this demo really in the future, but let's say for the month of May, you will now see kind of who was there. And there's only Draco in my example on the first day of the class here. And lastly, if you select all the attendees or some of the attendees, you can now message people. So I can click, I want to send a message to these participants, and then I can either send it by email, by SMS and email, by SMS only. So I can communicate from the attendance list with participants for last minute cancellations or any type of rescheduling. So I hope you found this helpful. This is how to track attendance for soccer academies using Activity Messenger.